Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Arm Candy. We have got a beautiful piece of Chanel for you today. I am really pleased that I get to be the one that films this for you today because I love it. It's right up my street. Sometimes when they come in and we unpack them, sometimes we'll be like, oh, I hope I get to be the one that films that one. And I've looked at the schedule today and I am the one that gets to film this, so I'm thrilled. So it's a black Chanel wallet, lambskin, silver hardware, feels beautiful. You know that I like soft things. It is soft and luxurious and beautiful. And it's quite big. We've called it a wallet. It's a sort of travel wallet sort of size. I'm 5'4" and a UK size 10. The exact measurements are on the website and there's a link to that in the description below. But it's a really decent size. It's more of a sort of clutch bag sort of size, I think. So it's got a zip round closure which goes all the way around and opens up and looks like that on the inside. So let's start here. You've got a kind of zipped section here that's like a central section, so it creates two pouches. I don't think I've explained that very well, but basically you've got this little pouchy bit here which contains a zipped coin section. And then in front of that you've got some card slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 card slots here. And then on this side, you've got more card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, another 8 here. And then 2 really good sized flat pockets. Chanel on the bottom there. The sticker is just under there. I don't want to pull it out too far. Can you see? Just in there is the sticker. Let me show you what it comes with. So it comes with the authentic card. So yeah, size-wise, measurements on the website. The link to that is below. Condition of this piece, remember if you're a bag lover, subscribe to the channel and when you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on. And we say if you're a bag lover because we have bags coming in every single day. So you don't want to miss out because you want to be able to get in as quick as you can. So yeah, condition of this piece, the exterior is very good, the interior is good, and the hardware is very good. So let's just talk you through why. The exterior, very good condition, it's absolutely beautiful, there's nothing major to point out to you. There's just a little bit of wrinkling, which is barely even showing up, along here. So as this kind of opens, see where you've got, there you go, that's a better look, you can see. That is the only sign of wear. The inside we've called good. There's nothing for me to point out to you, but you can just tell that it's a pre-owned piece. And again, the hardware we've called very good condition. There's nothing to point out to you. I think that you can just tell that it's a pre-owned piece, that's all. So super soft, super luxurious. I love this as a little evening bag. You could fit everything you need. Well, I can fit everything I need for the evening in there. And then you just walk around with this gorgeous, soft, beautiful little piece of Chanel. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love that it is deeper than a standard wallet because it just makes it a bit more of a bag than a wallet, I think. But if you like a big purse, if you like a big wallet, if you like to store lots of receipts, that's your new organiser right there. So, a link to shop this beautiful piece is in the description below. The link will take you straight to that on the website. If it takes you to the generic product page because it's sold, I'm really sorry about that. But if you like Chanel, then let us know and we'll put you on our request list. So when you're on the website, there's a contact us page. Find that, fill it out. Let us know that you want to go on the Chanel request list. We'll put you on it and then we will email you every time we get Chanel in. So hopefully you'll be able to not miss out next time. When you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter. We'll send you a discount code for your first purchase with Arm Candy. Well worth getting that, even if that isn't going to be your first purchase. Go and get your discount code ready. You do it on the website, it's super easy. You get your code through immediately. So if you haven't got it within a minute or two, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. What else? On the website, you'll be able to see all of our pre-owned bags, purses and wallets. They're all on there. And of course, we are a consignment store. So if you have Arm Candy that you want to sell with us, let us know. There's a how to sell with us page on the website. It's got all of our commission rates on there, which by the way are outstanding. You can get up to 85%, which means we are only taking 15%. Trust me, that's pretty epic. So go and have a look at that. There's a little thing you can fill out and let us know what you've got, and we can get your arm candy sold for you as well. Have a lovely rest of the day, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.